All right, and today we have a truly special guest with us. She's a local pastry chef with Pepper's Artful Events, and she has been making waves in the culinary world. You may know her from her incredible desserts, or you may have seen her recently on Food Network. Please welcome executive pastry chef Lisa. Thanks so much for being here.
Me.
Well, we have to start with the big news. Congratulations on competing in the Spring Challenge. What was that experience like?
Oh, it was incredible. I had such a good experience. It was very stressful and very intimidating, but yeah, I loved it.
Aww.
What was the most challenging part? Like, I know that there's one thing about like baking, and then there's another thing about being on TV, and then you did both of them at the same time.
Yeah, that was hard to get used to, but just trying to stay focused and keeping my eye on what I'm doing and not all the cameras surrounding me.
Absolutely, I love that. And what you have brought for us today is like pretty cool.
I'm so excited.
So tell us about this little pastry terrarium.
Yeah, it's a dessert terrarium. We did a competition last year for Taste in a Shoba, and I won first prize.
Period.
And it was this dessert. So this is a spicy chocolate pot de creme, and you can decorate it however you want. We have Oreo crumbs, we have cake that looks like moss.
I was gonna say, is this real moss?
Yeah.
No, this is cake.
It's just cake.
And this is just pudding?
It's just, but it's a spicy chocolate pot de creme.
So someone could just do this at home with their kids, or only with the adult kids like myself?
Yeah, exactly. Fondant mushrooms, you got some little rocks.
You gonna build one here?
All right, I feel like we should build one.
Oh my gosh.
As we're building this, Lisa, I wanna know, where did you like fall in love with dessert
baking,
and with baking and all of this?
I have always baked ever since I was a little girl. I had my Easy Bake oven.
Oh my gosh! What a throwback!
And so I started off with that, and then eventually graduated to an oven. And I went to pastry school at Le Cordon Bleu in Oregon, and been doing pastry ever since.
Wow.
Yeah. I love that. What's your favorite thing to make?
My favorite thing to make would probably be cream puffs.
Cream puffs.
Yes, I love making cream puffs. I don't know if you've ever had a cream puff with crackling on top.
No, I don't think so.
It's like this cookie that gets baked on top of the cream puff, so it gives it kind of like a sweet crust.
Oh, it gets so crunchy, and then you already have the soft interior.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, that sounds amazing.
Yeah.
What's been the hardest part about now transitioning to the TV world? What transitions have you had to make with?
Seeing myself on TV.
Well, you're doing great.
Thank you.
You're doing great. This was so fun. And then do you just bite into this?
Yeah, just take a bite.
This is beautiful.
Just
wait, but we buried like one of the biggest leads. You also baked us a beautiful cake.
Yes.
For our 10,000th follower on Instagram for the Hub today. And it's gorgeous. Like, I don't even want us to cut it because it's so beautiful.
We shouldn't.
What kind of cake is that?
It's just a vanilla cake with vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream.
It's beautiful.
Thank you so much for making this.
You're so welcome. Congratulations. Hitting 10K.
Well, thank you. Congratulations to you as well, Lisa. I'm going to just keep eating this. This is like...
this is really good.
They tell you not to play with your food, right?
Is this for one?
This is play. Don't play with your food. But... if you have to, play with this.
Where can we find you on Instagram?
Lisa J. Clark, or you can find my cake art page as well there.
Okay, well, I will be following because I'm obsessed with all of this. I want to actually make a nicer one next time, but this was a great little project for us. Thank you.
It's fun. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Lisa, thanks for being here. And you guys, we'll be right back with a lot more to come here on The Hub today.